Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Zen with a PlayStation 5. First, power on your PlayStation 5 console and ensure it is fully booted. Next, you must connect a crucial third-party USB-A to USB-C adapter to the A3 port on your Zen device. This specific adapter is vital for establishing the correct communication with your PlayStation 5, as direct connection is often restricted. Make sure this connection is secure. Now, connect your primary, official PlayStation 5 DualSense controller into the Zen's, a 2 USB port. This ensures your controller passes through the Zen correctly. Then, take the longer micro USB cable provided with your Zen and connect its small end to the Zen's console port. The other, standard USB-A end of this cable must then plug into one of the front USB-A ports on your PlayStation 5 console for power and data. With all cables securely connected, the Zen device should now power on automatically, indicated by its bright LED display. This display often cycles through various patterns or shows an initial boot screen. During this phase, the Zen is authenticating with your PlayStation 5 console and the connected DualSense controller. Please allow approximately 10 to 15 seconds for this critical handshake process to complete successfully. Patience ensures a stable connection. After successful authentication, you can now select your preferred game pack or script directly on the Zen device. Use the small navigation buttons on the Zen to browse through your preloaded options. Remember, you would have loaded these game packs onto your Zen using the Zen Studio software on a computer beforehand. Confirm your chosen profile is active, often indicated by a specific icon or text on the Zen's OLED screen. This prepares you for gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.